Hello everyone, my name is Ifai Corina. I'm a student of Management Science ITB. I'm in Science Management ITB 2024. Uh, Today I will explain the paper from Fiaz Muhammad, Amir Ikram, Said Kuram Jafri, and Kanwal Nafid with the title of Product Innovation Through Ambidextrous Organizational Culture with Mediating Effect of Contextual Ambidextrity, an empirical study of IT and telecom firms. Before we start the presentation, maybe it will good for us to read together the abstract of the paper so we can have the general point of view of this paper. On the paper, they said that they considering the universal competitive pressures because it is imperative for the organization to be more dynamic and innovative. The viability of companies is dependent on innovation, and organizational culture is regarded as an important component in realizing the objective of product innovation. The study examines the association between ambidextrous organizational culture and product innovation outcomes through mediation of contextual ambidextrity. By pursuing the snowball sampling technique, pre-established structure questionnaires were distributed among top management of IT and telecom sector. 125 valid questionnaires were considered for data analysis purpose. And result indicate that organizational diversity significantly and positively affect new product innovation outcome. In example, incremental, radical product innovation, and speed to market, whereas shared vision positively affect incremental product innovation. Indirect effect result indicated that significant positive partial mediation of contextual ambidextrity exists between organizational diversity and new product innovation outcome. In example, radical innovation and speed to market. Whereas full and significant positive mediation role of contextual ambidextrity exists between shared vision and new product innovation outcomes. An example, radical innovation outcome and speed to market. At last, no significant mediation role of contextual ambidextrity exists between organizational diversity and incremental innovation outcome. And on this paper, there are 4 keywords. First, product innovation. Second, organizational culture. Third, contextual ambidextrity, and the last is radical innovation. Ambidextrity refers to an organization's capacity to navigate conflicting demands and pressures. By effectively addressing this tension, a firm can develop ambidextrity, leading to enhanced organizational performance. While the literature recognizes that ambidextrous firms typically incorporate both structural and contextual elements, recent studies highlight that contextual ambidextrity is essential for business success rather than simply optional. This type of ambidextrity occurs when leaders create an environment rich in social support and effective performance management. Researchers have identified 4 groups of traits that work together to define the organizational context, resulting in 2 dimensions of that context. Contextual ambidextrity is rooted in an organizational cultures that foster both creativity and discipline. According to organizational learning literature, diversity enhances creativity and can be integrated into standards that provide direction and discipline. Consequently, the interplay between institutional diversity and a shared vision reinforces an ambidextrous cultures. Although this understanding of culture is critical for contextual ambidextrity, it has not been fully explored in the context of product innovation and organizational ambidexterity. In today's dynamic environment, ambidexterity is driven by the ability to achieve both incremental and radical innovation simultaneously, making it a compelling topic in the literature. Research indicates that organizational culture is vital for effectively managing innovation, prompting us to consider innovation as a key dependent variable in this study. New product innovation encompasses incremental product innovation, speed to market, and radical product innovation. Incremental product innovation refers to enhancement and extension that typically aim to meet the existing needs of customer, involving minor adjustment in knowledge and established product market practices. In contrast, radical product innovation involves significant changes in companies' expertise and skill set, targeting the needs of emerging consumer and providing them with substantial new benefits. Speed to market is a critical factor for firms seeking to leverage first mover advantages and enhance efficiency, defined as the ability to launch products more quickly than competitors. Extensive research has explored the antecedents and outcome of organizational ambidexterity, including innovation outcome, contextual ambidexterity, exploration, and exploitation, as highlighted in existing literature. However, several theoretical connections have received limited attention from researchers, while the study by Wang and Rafik being ambidexterity refers to an organization's capacity to navigate conflicting demands and pressure. By effectively addressing this tension, a firm can develop ambidexterity, leading to enhanced organizational performance. While the literature recognizes that ambidextrous firms typically incorporate both structural and contextual elements, recent studies highlight that contextual ambidexterity is essential for business success rather than simply optional. This type of ambidexterity occurs when leaders create an environment rich in social support and effective performance management. Research have identified four groups of traits that work together to define the organizational context, resulting in two dimensions of that context. Contextual ambidexterity is rooted in an organizational culture that fosters both creativity and discipline. According to organizational learning literature, diversity enhances creativity and can be integrated into standards that provide the direction and discipline. Consequently, the interplay between institutional diversity and a shared vision reinforces an ambidextrous culture. Although this understanding of cultures is critical for contextual ambidexterity, it has not been fully explored in the context of product, innovation, and organizational ambidexterity. In today's dynamic environment, ambidexterity is driven by the ability to achieve both incremental and radical innovation simultaneously, making it a compelling topic in the literature. Research indicates that organizational culture is vital for effectively managing innovation, prompting us to consider innovation as a key dependent variable in this study. New product innovation encompasses incremental product innovation, speed to market, and radical product innovation. Incremental product innovation refer to enhancement and extension that typically aim to meet the existing need of customers, involving minor adjustment in knowledge and established product market practices. In contrast, radical product innovation involves significant changes in companies' expertise and skill set, targeting the needs of emerging consumers and providing them with substantial new benefits. Speed to market is a critical factor for firms seeking to leverage first mover advantages and enhance efficiency, defined as the ability to launch products more quickly than competitors. Extensive research has explored the antecedents and outcome of organizational ambidexterity, including innovation outcome, contextual ambidexterity, exploration, and exploitation, as highlighted in existing literature. However, several theoretical connections have received limited attention from researchers. And there is a study that being a notable contribution to the understanding of ambidextrous institutional culture, contextual ambidexterity, and product innovation outcomes. Therefore, this paper that I will explain has an aim to thoroughly investigate the relationship between ambidextrous institutional culture, including organizational diversity and shared vision, and new product innovation outcomes, such as incremental product innovation, radical product innovation, and speed to market, with contextual ambidexterity such as encompassing performance management and social support, acting as mediating factors. Additionally, there is a scarcity of literature addressing the mediating role of contextual ambidexterity within the context of Pakistan's developing economy. So, we start from some literature in this study, first from organizational ambidexterity and contextual ambidexterity. So we start with the first concept of organizational ambidexterity and also contextual ambidexterity. Organizational ambidexterity has become a significant focus in contemporary research. Numerous studies has explored this concept within the literature. From the viewpoint of configurational theory, examine how digitization contributes to achieve structural ambidexterity by enabling organizations to simultaneously engage in both exploitation and exploration. They emphasize that collaboration within the firm is crucial for both internal and external solutions to attain ambidexterity. Organizational ambidexterity refers to the ability to balance and integrate exploration that focus on exploitation. Integrate exploration that focus and also exploitation that focus on cultures. Organization culture itself is defined by the core beliefs, standards, and values that underpin the management framework of organization, shaping policies that reflect and reinforce these foundational values. In their studies of 100 social entrepreneurs, the researchers found that stable organizational cultures foster the higher level of socio-economic performance. This concept of organizational cultures play a vital role in creating the interactive environment that complements organizational system and processes, enabling firms to address the dual challenges of direction and flexibility while enhancing both external adaptation and internal integration. Recent Theoretical advancement in organizational learning literature suggests that specific knowledge, abilities, and skills that foster creativity are encapsulated in the concept of organizational diversity. This diversity requires shared opportunities referred to as shared vision. Organizational diversity embraces individual differences in skills and abilities, while a shared vision promotes employee engagement in organizational objectives. Together, organizational diversity and shared vision reinforce one another, resulting in ambidextrous organizational culture. This framework helps clarify the type of cultures necessary for contextual ambidextrity, although it has not been extensively explored in existing literature. Current research indicates that contextual ambidextrity is crucial for a firm's survival and success. Firms must leverage their existing competencies for short-term gains while simultaneously seeking new capabilities for long-term success. Contextual ambidextrity is achieved when organizational leaders can create an environment that balances social support and performance management. Scholars assert that a robust performance management context combined with social supports foster an organizational context that enhances performance, leading to the emergence of contextual ambidextrous firm. Now we we will learn the second concept of this study, that's called contextual ambidextrity and new product innovation outcomes. Recent studies have identified key factors essential for contextual ambidextrity, including the pursuit of decentralization of continuous innovation. Organizational ambidextrity refers to a firm's ability to achieve both incremental improvement in quality and radical innovation that explore new opportunities. Van Essen has proposed that organizations should empower their employees, enabling them to make autonomous decisions while engaging in exploratory and exploitative activities. And another researcher have explored business model innovation in small and medium-sized enterprises through the lens of operationalized contextual ambidextrity, suggesting practical strategies that promote sustainable development and open innovation. Additionally, the researchers examine the relationship between ambidextrity and innovation outcome in high-tech enterprises in China, revealing a negative impact of ambidextrity on the innovation result of domestic firms. The sustainable success of enterprises requires a strong alignment between organizational ambidextrity and product innovation. To enhance process and product innovation, they suggest that manufacturing firms should implement effective human resource management practices, which include providing relevant training, improving work skills and employee commitment through appropriate compensation, and fostering a supportive organizational culture. Significant research efforts have focused on identifying the factors that contribute to organizational ambidextrity. Scholars note that employees must engage in both exploratory and exploitative activities simultaneously to achieve ambidextrity. Contextual ambidextrity emerges when managers create an organizational environment with adequate performance management and social support. This supportive context enhance organizational performance, enabling employees to demonstrate creativity, teamwork, broker abilities, and multitasking skill. After reviewing recent literature, um, they, con- they concluded that the integration of exploration and exploitation enhance innovation, suggesting that ambidextrous leadership practices further encourage innovation and exploration among employees. Contextual ambidexterity equips business units with the ability to adopt new practices of system necessary for both radical and incremental innovation. They examine the extent to which manufacturing enterprises implement various strategies and how this impact product innovation level. They suggest that management should familiarize themselves with new strategies that enhance operational performance and facilitate effective decision making, which is closely tied to speed to market in new product outcomes. Speed to the market refers to the ability to launch new product quickly, serving as a key factor for gaining first mover advantage and competitiveness in the marketplace. A review of the literature on contextual ambidexterity and new product innovation outcome indicates a relationship between these two constructs. To develop the hypothesis for this study, the researchers has a logical reasoning that is based on findings from the relevant literature, which lays the groundwork for the research hypothesis. Now I will explain the third concept of this research, which is new product innovation outcome and ambidextrous organizational culture. Literature indicates a strong connection between the ambidexterity of organizational culture and innovation outcomes. Researchers have found that a culture characterized by high level of knowledge sharing significantly enhance ambidexterity, with strategic leadership playing a crucial role in fostering this culture. Furthermore, it has been shown that organizational culture is more critical than leadership for enabling innovation, highlighting the importance of cultures in the innovation process. The pursuit of open innovation enhances the economic values of patents and facilitate technology transfer. In an empirical study of a high-tech industry, they suggested that ambidexterity positively impacts on organizational performance. They argued that the simultaneous pursuit of exploration and exploitation is essential for achieving strong organizational performance, aligning with the principle of ambidexterity. There are an empirical study there are empirical studies with 414 respondents and found that environmental awareness enhances the relationship between ambidextrous organizational culture and contextual ambidexterity. Additionally, the researchers discovered that ambidexterity mediates the link between cultures and innovation. Organizational diversity and a shared vision work together to create a higher order concept of ambidextrous organizational culture, which facilitates the integration of contextual ambidexterity within a business unit. It is essential to communicate a vision that clearly articulates the necessity and rationale for ambidexterity, ensuring that the efforts toward both incremental and radical innovation do not hinder the business unit's ability to thrive in various activities. Now we will discuss about the concept that I have explained before from this research. The research model uh, the research model supports and builds upon previous investigation linking product innovation, ambidextrous organization cultures, and contextual ambidextrity. The result indicate that a shared vision has a significant relationship with incremental product outcome. However, this relationship does not mediate through contextual ambidextrity. This finding aligned with the study by Hanmir, which established a strong positive connection between shared vision and incremental product innovation. Additionally, the role of contextual ambidextrity as an intermediary is a novel contribution of the empirical investigation. Conversely, the research found that no significant relationship between shared vision and radical product innovation or speed to market, which is consistent with the finding of Slater, Moore, and Sengupta, and also the finding from Wu. However, the empirical analysis reveals a significant positive relationship between shared vision and both radical innovation and speed to market, with contextual ambidextrity serving as mediator. This support uh, a research that find a suggestion that firms that acquire and utilize external knowledge are better positioned to engage in both exploitative and exploratory innovation strategy. Thus, the study reinforces earlier research on the relationship between organizational culture and radical innovation. The results of the mediation analysis indicate that contextual ambidextrity fully mediates the relationship between shared vision and both radical product innovation and speed to the market. Additionally, the research found partial mediation of contextual ambidextrity between organizational diversity and radical product innovation, as well as between organizational diversity and speed to market. The findings support the research by Park, which examined Canadian firms investing in information technology systems and highlighted the multifaceted role of digitization in achieving ambidextrity. Moreover, the study suggests that contextual ambidextrity does not mediate the relationship between organizational diversity and incremental product innovation or between shared vision and incremental product innovation. This result implies that the influence of organizational culture and contextual ambidextrity is critical in enhancing product innovation. Therefore, organizations step to cultivate should take proactive steps to cultivate contextual ambidextrity. Now, taking everything into consideration, this study serves as a valuable reference for policymakers and scholars regarding the development of organizational culture and practical approaches to product innovation. The findings indicate that organizational diversity has a significant positive impact on incremental product innovation outcome, highlighting its crucial role in enhancing this outcome. Furthermore, this research extends previous work by demonstrating that organizational diversity also positively influences radical product innovation outcome, with this relationship being mediated by contextual ambidextrity. Additionally, organizational diversity shows a significant positive relationship with speed to market, which is also mediated by contextual ambidexterity. The study examined two dimensions of ambidextrous organizational culture: organizational diversity and shared vision. Both dimensions are positively and significantly correlated with the component of contextual ambidexterity, specifically performance management and social support. This suggests that organizations with greater diversity and clearer vision enable employees to perform better and adapt more effectively, leading to higher job satisfaction. In the model, performance management is found to have a significant positive relationship with radical product innovation and speed to market, but no significant link to incremental product innovation. This indicates that firms should focus on strategies that actively foster organizational culture and ambidexterity to enhance product innovation. Additionally, the social support dimension significantly influences a firm's speed to market, but no significant relationship is identified between social support and either incremental or radical product innovation outcomes. The result of the study offers practical suggestions for management of IT and telecom sector, as results implicate that in order to increase innovation in the organization, whether it is toward the incremental or radical or the balance of both, organizations need to take a bottom-up learning style for organizational culture that will permit organizational diversity and shared vision to interact at the same time, enabling the incorporation of performance management and social support activities in organization for the superior performance. The findings suggest that policymakers and managers are required to decide on the trade-off between radical and incremental innovation through generating the accurate context to encourage people to resolve problems and to be responsible for their actions. The results represent strong indication that attainment of competencies for performance management that create alignment in activities and social support that increase the flexible behavior facilitates the association between features of organizational context that boost these action and performance parameters. The findings are imperative for those organizations that function in an enormously stormy setting. Inevitably, this ensures survival of the firms in unfavorable business setting and enable them to endure the current economic slump arising out of recent pandemic of COVID-19. The contribution of this empirical investigation is original in the sense that it offers thorough intuition into the nature of the scrutinized interdependencies.